Soft hooves press the morning dew. Mist still clings where the sunlight's new. A watchful gaze through silver haze marks the quiet woodland ways. Shadows weave where the wildflowers grow, paths only forest hearts can know. Every step a gentle rhyme, written in the breath of time. Antlers crowned with moss and light, silent keeper of the night. Through fern and thicket, calm and short, the forest pulse forever pure. Shadows weave where the wildflowers grow, paths only forest hearts can know. Every step a gentle rhyme, written in the breath of time. No herald's call, no hunter's fame, yet every leaf will speak their name. The earth remembers where they've been. In every ring the trees hold in. And as the moon begins to rise, they fade into the silver skies. Like ancient dreams the woods still keep, where wild souls wander, run and sleep. Tiny paws on a birchwood limb, tail like fire in the morning dim. A chitter breaks the woven breeze, among the rustle of the leaves. Whispers in the canopy so high, acorns hidden where the secrets lie. Every leap a fleeting trace, painted in this woodland space. Eyes like dusk and full of spark, dancing shadows through the bark. branch to branch, a silent cheer. Autumn's heart is playing here.